to the On The Gas show, and we are back with another video, guys. And today's gonna be a really exciting vlog because we will be picking up that black SS Intimidator clone that we got from my boy Russell. Also, later on today, we'll be picking up crawfish with the new motor, new turbos, new wiring, everything new on the crawfish. But before we do that, let's talk about this badass giveaway that we started a couple of days ago, July the 3rd. And we're gonna be running this giveaway for 2 weeks, which that means it ends July the 16th. Now, you guys been wanting an F-150 giveaway, so we decided to give out an F-150 giveaway. And this is not any F-150. We actually decked this thing out to the fullest. New wrap, new wheels, suspension, interior, sound system. The best part about it, it has a supercharger. We ended up going with the real nice drag pack. So the way to get into this giveaway is by shopping ONDGAS.com and getting you these 2 items right here. The On The Gas red reflective decal will give you 50 entries, and then we got the HS paper decal that will also give you 50 entries. Now, you know that we like to do the bundles. If you buy the bundle, you'll get 125 entries by purchasing them together. So that means that you get 25 entries for free. Now, if you buy this one separately and this one separately, you're only gonna get 100. You gotta click that tab where you got both of the stickers together and you get the combo. So 25 entries for free. Get your entries before it's too late. It ends July the 16th. So yeah, before we get started with the video, we're gonna be dropping this thing off with my boy Chewy because the truck is really low. And once we put these wheels, which are some 18x7, the truck goes a lot lower than what it had with the original wheels that it had. So we're gonna be taking it with my boy Chewy. We're gonna, I believe, we're gonna be changing out the spring and putting a bigger spring so the truck can't be too low. Now it looks perfect. Well, right now it looks kind of high because we already changed the wheel on that side, but it looks really good when it was sitting on the floor. But the oil pan is like a ½ an inch from the floor, and we don't want no oil pan problem because you rip the oil pan, oil going out, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna fuck up the motor. So we're gonna be picking it up a couple inches, maybe an inch or maybe 2. Just want to show you guys, there was a lot of speculation about the wheels. I should have done this, I should have done that. Me personally, I like this wheel a lot. Y'all check this out. Check out this chrome candy color. If you were to ever want to change the face on this wheel, you should take all these screws out. You can actually buy you another face from Belock. So pretty much it's a 2-piece wheel. To me, I like it a lot, and it goes really good with the truck. It's not the same red because of course we're using the chrome satin red on this one, but it actually gives it a better look. You will say that, Frank?
Yeah, so it has the glossy chrome on the wheels, yes, and the flat chrome on the body.
Exactly. Now we've been working on this truck for a couple of months now. You know, we've been hiding it. We've been trying to hide it as much as we can, but here it is, the finished product. F-150 2021, 18x7s in the front, 17x10s in the back, 315 in the back. We got our Mickey Thompsons all the way around. If you want to come over here and check the decked out interior, custom leather seats. I'll give you guys a little bit of light. Custom leather seats by my boy Speedy. Center console. Y'all check out that badass sound system. 210s, DS18, the best of the best. I want you guys to comment down below and let me know if you've seen another badass Ford like this one. Y'all check this out. You know what I mean? And we could probably have done a lot more to it, but we like the simple look. This is a sporty truck. We don't want to cut the bed on this one. We don't want to do none of that, so we gave you a nice simple look. And like I said, this thing is a supercharged as well. So 5.0 Coyote, custom lights in the front. That's pretty much it. We're gonna be doing an exhaust maybe, and I do got some badass badges coming. That's gonna say fast. So that's gonna be pretty cool. So we got that idea from our business partner, rest in peace, Lawrence. He used to have a badass Ford, and he did this back in like 2010, bro.
He had a 1,000 horsepower truck before 1,000 was normal in a truck.
Yeah, so it was crazy. It was crazy. Yeah. He had this badge with the fast logo. I'm talking about like 15 years ago. So I think he was probably one of the first ones. That gave us the idea. So we're gonna get new badges. Yeah, check out this ugly wheel that we got over here. It's a 24-inch wheel, so whenever we had the 24s, it wasn't that low. When we put the smaller wheel in the front, for drag wheels, we can't put big wheels. So the small wheel makes the truck go lower, so it makes the body real close to the ground, and then that might be a problem for us right now that we want to drive it, and for the future winter. So right now we're gonna be changing that wheel to this one, and then we're gonna be taking this one to the drop shop, and then we're on board Russell. So let's go. Probably forgot about the truck because we did as well, but we dropped this thing off here a couple of days ago with my boy Russell at Velocity Parts and Performance. Now, if you're looking for some parts and you're in the Pasadena, South Houston area, if you're on the south side, my boy Russell got all the parts. He got wheels, tires. He's the one that actually hooked us up with those badass Beloc wheels on the new giveaway. Got tires, wheels, cams, converters. I mean, he got a little bit of everything. So if you're in the area looking for some parts, make sure to come here. He got a bunch of parts in stock. We ended up dropping off the truck. We ended up going with the cam, converter. I think he even put out the engine. He said the engine was kind of dirty. The engine bay was kind of dirty. So he's like, you know what? I'm gonna pull out the engine, clean everything up, clean the firewall, paint the motor, do all that good stuff. So let's go talk to my boy Russell and see if he's actually done. And if it's done, we can actually take it to the muffler shop because we did put long tube headers on it. So we're gonna do my favorite part, which is the exhaust. Let's go.
Oh shit, this thing looks different.
Oh, you weren't here last time, huh?
No, I didn't know they stretched over there.
Yeah, you got a little bigger shop now. We got a little bit of everything. We actually bought the wheels from him, and we also got the Ford motor from him as well. But we got a bunch of stuff here in stock. Got all the cool carbon fiber stuff, which we actually got some carbon fiber parts for Red Bull. We haven't picked them up. He has them here. But this is what it looks like. Nice carbon right here. Carbon and then fiberglass. So either or, I mean, you cut you a little bit of weight. Even though the Fords, they're light, right?
Yeah, they're already aluminum body. I mean, compared to the
and these are the, so you got this. And he got this nice wheel over here, which is the same brand that we got on the giveaway, but this is obviously with a different offset. And this is a smaller wheel. This is a 15. I believe this is a 15 by 12. But if you're looking for some badass wheels like this, make sure to pull up over here. My boy's an official dealer, and you probably don't have to wait that long. A couple of weeks, you know. Usually wheels take forever. Talking about wheels, they already sent me the wheels for the OG, bro. Mr. Intro.
I forgot about that truck.
Yeah.
It's over there in Oklahoma.
Yeah. So the wheels are on the way, 28 by 16s. As soon as we get that, we got the tires already at the shop. And then as soon as we get that, we're gonna mount the wheels and tires, and then we'll be heading out to Fat Fabs and give you guys an update on the OG clone. All right, my boy. So, ya está la troca o no?
Ya quedó.
We did talk about you pulling out the engine, right, to clean it up and stuff like that?
We pulled it out.
Okay.
Pulled it out.
Yeah, we do the rear end, we pull off the motor, clean it up, put it back in.
Let's check it out.
Oh yeah, it's a lot cleaner.
Oh, look at this nice little.
Oh, I need that.
Little catch can.
Cash can, coolant reservoir.
So you got this in stock?
Yeah, I got a both.
Cool. So if you got a customer that wants the ONDGAS catch can, you can come over here and get it.
Yeah.
Pretty much. So you already know my boy Russell got this in stock. If you want something custom, can you make anything custom or just
Yeah, like we could
the logo? We could do anything. Any truck crew or whatever.
Everything.
That's badass. What's the address to this place?
Right here's 513 South Highland General Road, South Houston.
South Houston, the beautiful city of South Houston. So I believe you got one of these too, right?
Yeah, you got one.
I got one. He was the first one to get everything. Before we get it, he gets it free, and then we got to pay full price for it.
That's fucked up.
That's fucked up.
That's the way it goes, bro.
5.3, same engine. We kept the same engine, right?
Same one.
5.3. What kind of cam did we put on?
We ended up putting a 228 to 28.
228 to 28?
Yeah, just to pair with the converter. We pulled it out, cleaned the engine bay, cleaned the motor, resealed it, put it back in.
What's that converter we got?
It's 3600.
3600 Circle D.
Circle
Okay.
D, and then we did 456 gears and a pause in the back.
456 gears, that's right, yeah. So we can actually do some burn outs now. So cam kit, converter, posi, gears.
Your new radiator cover, you didn't have one.
Oh, we didn't have one?
I got a new one.
Okay. Gotcha. Where do you get these?
I got them online.
Oh, online?
Yeah, that way.
Did we have this already?
No.
Oh, okay, we also got a kick in it. Nice. Long tube headers.
Yeah.
So right now we hooked up to the original
Whatever you had on
exhaust. Okay. Did it have an exhaust or no?
It does, but it doesn't.
I mean, it has the aftermarket muffler right now.
Nah, trae otro, but it's kind of.
Okay,
It needs some probably.
Yeah, we need that real shit right now. So we're gonna be heading out to muffler shop right here in a little bit. And I'm guessing it's tuned, right?
Yeah, it's ready to go.
It's ready to go. Okay.
Yeah, the AC was fixed, tuned. We got the exhaust, the intake.
Everything. Damn. AC. I forgot about the AC. AC wasn't working. Now that I remember, Perry was
It was sweating, huh?
sweating a little bit.
It's leather too, so that ain't.
So I see the engine is clean. The valve covers are painted as well, or
We
brand
welded
new,
the
or whatever.
bungs for the valve covers. We welded the bungs on the valve
Okay.
covers for the catch can.
Nice.
So
Yeah.
we welded that up, and then we just kind of.
¿Qué le faltaba al AC? ¿Nada más recharge o estaba jodido algo?
So I don't know how there was wired up. Everything was there. It wasn't clicking on. So under the fuse box, I guess when they hook up the alarm, they moved some wires around.
Yeah.
So basically everything was there. It's just the wires under the fuse box was all disconnected.
Oh, okay, okay. So right now usted has an alarm. O se la quitaste.
No tiene alarm.
¿Tenía alarma o no?
No jalaba.
No jalaba.
Pero estaba como que
Sí, la quisieron conectar,
yeah.
pero no le hicieron focus. We're supposed to take it a Manny.
Yeah.
We'll be doing that because this one needs a sound system too. This don't have a sound
So
system.
they'll plug the AC or something. They messed something up with the AC with the alarm. But we just fixed that, and then the AC started working.
There you go. There you go. 5.3. We can say it's fully bolt on.
Cams, yeah, full bolt on, cam stall, rear end. That's pretty much.
Did it already have the fans?
Yes, it did have the fans.
So many trucks for forget if this one had a fan or not.
Yeah, lose
like,
track of everything.
Yeah. We had forgot about this truck. It's actually been over here for a couple of weeks. He was actually done last week, but we were busy. He was busy, so we couldn't make the trip over here. So now that he's here, we're here. Or that's what we're picking up. And we're gonna be putting a full exhaust right now in a little bit. So turn it on. Let's hear it. It's not gonna sound that badass though, right? Because of the muffler.
It doesn't sound bad.
Okay, it doesn't sound bad. We need to go lower on this one too.
Yeah.
Exhaust muffler, but it doesn't sound that good. Now we're gonna put something loud. We're gonna put the boiler attack. Or what should we put?
Boiler attack, baby.
Oh, the Corsa. The Corsa's loud.
I like the sound the Corsa makes. Either way.
Okay. Side. It's actually a really clean Super Sport. This is a real clean truck. And then besides that, it's not the regular SS Clone. This was the Intimidator, which it's the same body kit and everything, but it has a couple extra badges that make it special. The badges on the side, the seats, I believe on the headrest it has the Intimidator. So this makes it Intimidator. That makes it Intimidator right there. A bunch of little stuff. So right now we're gonna pay my boy, and then we're gonna head out to the muffler shop. In my favorite place to be, as a lot of you guys might say. I would say this is one of my favorite things to do is put a muffler, and I'm actually kind of excited for that today because we don't know if we're gonna do a boiler attack or we're gonna do a Corsa or we're gonna do a bullet or what should we do, Frank?
I like the Corsa, but
Corsa.
Corsa. You're the tiebreaker.
You said Corsa. Borla. It's 3-2.
What's up?
Alright, so we just put a cam kit on it. So we have a motor, all that good stuff. It sounds really good. I mean, the motor is good, but it sounds like shit right now. So we're here at my favorite spot. We gotta change the muffler out. Now it does have full long tube headers already.
Yeah, I see that. But they use the factory white pipe, so you're very restricted on the size.
Okay, well then just chop it up right here. Give me a badass white pipe. Okay. And then we're undecided if we're gonna do Borla or Corsa.
You like Borla, so you might as well go with that one.
Yeah, but it's so there's 5 of us right now. 3 guys are saying Corsa, and me and Parrillo saying Borla. I like Corsa because I like that hollow. Fuck, that's all we need, bro. Let's go, Corsa.
That was a tiebreaker right there.
So, let me see that Corsa. Bring it out, guys.
And it's just custom, bro.
Damn.
I like that.
Alright, so we get the trucks. Guys, these trucks ain't brand new. They're used. This was a 2006, 2007 model. So we like to upgrade the little things here and there. Like we pull out the whole motor just to clean it up, reseal the whole 5.3, new cam bearings and all that good stuff. So we like to add a little stuff to make it look better. And then this is the Corsa. And this is that loud one too, right?
Yeah, that's not the bullet one. But we do have the bullet if you want the quieter one.
This was the loud one.
That's the louder one, yeah.
Now, why is the bullet quieter if the bullet is always louder?
Because the bullet is muffled, so around the sides it has fiberglass. This one has nothing. It's straight through, and it has noise cancellation stuff in there.
Oh, I see it.
So you can see straight through it.
So it's pretty much a bullet in a different box.
Yeah.
Straight pipe in a box.
Yeah, but no drone.
No drone. All right, cool. Let's add this one then.
What are you doing? You doing 12 pipes, turn down?
Let's do the little pipes that come right here. Se puede o no?
Sides. Yeah, that's fine. You don't make it easy on me.
Would it be done today?
Yeah. What time is it?
It's 2:30.
5-ish.
We came early this time.
5-ish. But I can knock out the white pipe in about 30, about an hour.
Okay, in an hour. Okay. All right, we'll be back. So, we'll be back in an hour. We're gonna do the white pipe, brand new muffler, and then we're just gonna do a turn down either right here or right here in the back. No tip. I don't like tips on the clone, bro.
Why is that?
The truck's already kind of squarish. True. So when you put a tip, it kind of looks funny. You know, it's just better when it's all here. They should have done like a cutout right here, you know? Yeah. That would have looked a lot better. So right now we're gonna go have some lunch and we'll be back. There's a nice seafood place around here. Mambo Seafood is the go-to place when we come over here to the muffin shop. We haven't had Mambo's in a long time, Frank.
We haven't swapped the muffler in a long time. About 2-3 weeks.
We haven't been to Mambo's, so we had a nice dinner and I feel terrible. I ate too much. I feel useless, fat. I just ate too much. You guys might know how I feel.
I know somebody that knows. I feel exactly like that.
Who?
I didn't want to be an asshole.
Tiny. Guys, excuse the blue tape over here and excuse this type over here. The body kit is coming off.
We ain't losing.
We ain't losing it, so we're gonna get my boy Mondo to do it the right way because I don't know if they use the right brackets or whatever, but we're gonna fix it and we're gonna do it the right way with my boy Mondo. So I think we're dropping it off tomorrow with my boy Mondo. So turn off, but let's hear it. Is it loud?
Not as loud as you thought, but it's pretty good, yeah. I like it.
I thought it's gonna be louder, but it's not. Perfect. If we can put a sound system, and once we put a sound system, it's gonna sound really good. It's gonna have a nice chop, and you can actually still hear the sound system and everything. So I'm pretty happy with it. Not everything has to be really, really loud. Someone can be nice and discreet and just the right sound. And I think this one has the right sound. Because if it was any louder, like the GMC, the 404, the one with the camel wrap, that bitch was stupid loud. And especially rolling was really, really loud. So this one, we're gonna put a nice sound system. And we're also changing out the wheels. We're putting 24-inch intro wheels on this one. So it's gonna be badass once we're done with it. But first, we're gonna fix the body kit. And then we're gonna be taking it with my boy Chewy and do all that good stuff. But right now, we're gonna head back to the shop because we're picking up crawfish. Finally, the crawfish is back from the dead. So let's go to the shop, hook up to a trailer, and let's head out to Flaco. Alright guys, we got the trailer locked and loaded with the OBZ. If you see the truck, we actually did some stuff. I took it to my boys at SCP and got a nice tip. Yeah, look at that right there. Sounds better too. And now we're gonna head out to go get crawfish and finally give you guys an update on the crawfish truck. Remember guys, the giveaway is live right now. Get your entries before it's too late. 50 entries each decal. If you get you the bundle pack, we'll get you 125 entries. The deadline for that one will be July 16th. Then we'll be going live the following week. So let's go, but you're gonna have to wait for the next vlog. I'll see you guys on the next one.